Okay, so my name is Jamal Ashraf, and we are working through chapter 5 of Big Java by Wortman. We have passed 4 parts, and this is the 5th part, problem solving through the flowcharts. So, as I said, flowcharts are popular with a lot of people. The way it works, we have a task as a square, rectangular, or a square. We have our input output in this shape, and we have a condition with this shape. So we can use this to do our problem solving. We're going to link them together. So we have a condition. If it's true, we're going to do this task. And if it's false, we're going to do this task. So if we have multiple choices, we're going to check for choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. And this is my last else. We should have something like that. So if none of these are correct, what are we going to do? So if it's true, we're going to do this. If it's false, it's going to fall into the next one. If it's true, we're going to do this. If it's false, it's going to fall into the next one. If it's true, we're going to do this. If it's false, it's going to fall into this one, and we're going to do this. After all of these things, we're going to come down here, and we can continue. So here, sometimes when we are doing these kind of things, or we are designing and we are not paying attention, we can end up to something called a spaghetti code. A spaghetti code is a code that you go somewhere, and from that somewhere, you're going to go somewhere, and you're going to keep going all over the place, and it's very hard to figure out the flow of your program. So in this case, if this is false, I'm going to call this one, I'm going to check this one. So that's going to be not easy to follow. So what we're going to do is we're going to put another statement over here. So if it's false, we're going to go this way instead of going that way. That's the end of this section. So put a pause and let's do these self-checks. There are flowchart for a program that reads a value temp and prints frozen if it is less than 0. What is wrong with this flowchart? How do you fix the flowchart of self-check 25? That's the one before this. Derive flowchart for a program that reads a value X. If it is less than 0, print error, otherwise print a square, it is a square root. Derive flowchart for a program that reads a value temp. If it's less than 0, print ice. If it is greater than 100, print steam, otherwise print liquid. Okay, that was a short section that we are done with it.